A God WOD this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Today, I'm going to read from the book named Acts chapter 10, from verse 1 to verse 23. Now, you did have one man down a Caesarea named Cornelius. He had part of one big group of soldiers we come from Italy, and he had the head for 100 of them. He had him whole family always worship God. Enough time, he would have helped poor people, and he always prayed to God. One day, around 3 o'clock, Cornelius get one vision. In a vision, he see one of God's angel come to him. The angel said to him, say, Cornelius. Cornelius fast knee upon the angel and start catching afraid. Him asks, what Lord? The angel answer him, say, God hear your prayer them, and him see the good sitting them where you do for poor people. God remember the sitting them where you do, and to him, them come in like one sacrifice. Now, send some man God Joppa and tell them to bring back one man named Simon, and we then call Peter too. He must stay at Simon's house, the one we make leather, and him live at the seaside. After the angel we talk to him left, Cornelius called 2 special servant them, and one of his soldier we serve him, and we always worship God. Him tell them everything where the angel tell him, and send them God Joppa. The next day, around 12 o'clock, when them did reach near the city, Peter go up on the house top for pray. Peter, they get hungry and want something to eat. And while he did wait for the food, he get one vision. In a vision, he see everyone open up and see like one big sheet that come down to earth. Like say people did hold the 4 corners of them and I let it down. In the sheet, he see all kind of animal. Animal will have 4 foot, animal will crawl upon them belly and have cold blood and some wild bird. Then he hear one voice say to him, say, Peter, get up, kill some of them animal here and yam them. Peter say, oh, me? No, Lord. Oh, me fi do that. Me never yam none of them sitting there where the Lord said nothing yam because they're not clean. Then the voice said to Peter the second time, say, not take nothing where God make clean and say dirty and no good for eat. Him hear the voice say the same thing 3 times, and then the sheet get take up back either heaven. Same time, Peter did try to figure out what the vision mean. The man them where Cornelius did send, find Simon house and did turn up at the gate. Them call out loud and ask if Simon Peter did it. Peter did still think about the vision when the Holy Spirit said to him, say, look, Peter, 3 men are look for you. So get up and go downstairs to them. Not afraid to go with them, because I may make them come for you. So Peter go downstairs to them and said to them, say, see me here, I'm no I look for. When I look for him for, the man them answer him, say, a Cornelius, one headman for 100 soldier, send we. All of the Jew them think him a good somebody and they show him enough respect. One of God angel tell him to send for you so he can hear what you have to say. Then Peter take them in the house and put them up for the night. And God word this. Thank God. I beg you to subscribe so I can not miss the next part of the story. What good.
Want more info? Check the description box. little more.